Hi dear learners, most welcome once again. Today I am going to start my new topic, Venn diagram generator. What is Venn diagram generator? It is device which is used to produce very high potential of few million volts. It is a device which is used to produce very high potential of few million volts. It is discovered by Robert J. Van de Graaff in 1930 and 31. Okay, what is the principle of Van de Graaff generator? We will discuss what is the principle of Van de Graaff generator. As we know that sigma is inversely proportional to 1 upon r. What is sigma? Sigma stands for the surface charge density, r stands for the radius. Okay, we take the example. We consider two spheres with corners. Okay, this is a sphere with a radius, small radius. Okay, and this is another sphere with a large radius, r. Okay, as we know that charge resides on the surface of the sphere, the charge is outside the sphere. From this relation, it is concluded that if radius is small, it means the surface charge density is large. If the radius is small, surface charge density is large. If the radius is large, surface charge density is if the radius is small, surface charge density is large. If radius is large, surface charge density is small. From this, it is clear that means to say in that edges, in that corners, the surface charge density is large due to small radius of this sphere. Okay, and the second point, we take an example of corona discharge. What is corona discharge? In that case, we are considering a metal comb. This is the sharp edges. It has sharp edges, so that it has high surface charge density because of small area, and there is a insulator made up of a nylon, silk, etc. Nylon, it is a metal comb. Why it is comb? Because it is like a comb. It is attached to a high tension battery. Positive, negative, positive, negative. There is a positive charge, means to say positive charge goes over there. In that case, okay. In nylon, there is a electrons are appears. As we know that because of the rubbing of the charging, electrons are appear. Okay, this is it is attached to positive terminal, so that positive charge is there. Electron is acquired on the nylon belt. Electron is acquired on the nylon belt. Due to discharging take place. Due to discharging take place, positive charge will go to the nylon belt. And another principle is the charge is reside on the surface of the sphere. As we know that charge inside the sphere is equal to 0, conductor is 0, it is residing outside the sphere. We take another example. This is a small sphere with a charge of 5 coulomb. This is another sphere with a charge of 10 coulomb. Okay, if attached both of them, the total charge is 10 coulomb plus 5 coulomb, it is a 15 coulomb. These are the something which I am explaining to you, which explain the principle of Van de Graaff generator. What is Van de Graaff generator and what is the principle of the Van de Graaff generator? And this type of discharge is known as corona discharge. Okay. Okay. Now I am clearing everything with the help of the diagram of the Van de Graaff generator. Consider insulating stand. We are considering an insulating stand. This is a pulley number 1. This is a pulley number 2. Okay. And this is a metal sphere. This is pulley. This is also pulley. I attached to battery. It is a hollow sphere. Okay. This is a metal comb. There is another. This is a second comb. C2, C1. It is P1. It is P2. These are the pulley. Okay. This is attached to high tension battery. High battery is a positive terminal. Is a negative terminal. Positive terminal, and there is a is over there. Okay. This is an insulating stand. And these both are, what is that? These both are represent metal combs. And what is this? This is the insulator. Known as a nylon belt. Okay. By using the principle of Van de Graaff generator, okay, what will happen? This is a positive charge. First it will go to the comb, because these are the comb. This is like a comb. As we know that sigma is inversely proportional to 1 upon r. This is like a comb, so that radius is small. It means that surface charge density is large. What will happen? This negative charge will go inside. Sorry, this positive charge will go inside. Positive charge will go inside, and nylon weld attain negative charge. Nylon weld attain negative charge. Nylon weld attain electrons due to discharging. In the nylon belt, nylon weld acquired positive charge. I can repeat. It is attached to the positive terminal. Positive terminal, the positive terminal charge go inside in that case. And nylon belt required negative charge, and discharging is take place. Due to the discharging, nylon belt required positive charge, and this is charge go in that place. Then pulley start attached with battery or motor. Start rotating. It starts rotating, the charge will go up to that place, and then charge is moved from in that place, and charge will go outside, which is a high potential at the outside of the hollow sphere. From where it is come? From that. What is this? This is a 2 sphere. It has potential of it has charge of 2 coulomb. It has charge of 5 coulomb. The total charge is 5 coulomb plus 2 coulomb. It is a 7 coulomb. So that the total charge will be outside the sphere. In other words, we can say that charge will reside at outside. Okay. And then the pulley start rotating. What will happen? Charge will go in that place. Up to that plate, it will go this side. The total charge is 7 coulomb, and the charge is reside at the outside the sphere. And then what will happen? Charge will not go to this direction. Charge will go to this direction. Why does it happen? Because in that case, the charge will go to that direction. Charge will neutralized, so that charge will go to the dash direction by this. Okay. Now this whole of the apparatus is insulated with a insulated, and we filled a insulated gas inside is SF6. Which type of gas is there? SF6. Why does this gas is added to it? Because of air breakdown. To get the highest potential and for getting the constant potential, we are adding what we add insulated gas SF6 in the whole of the chamber. Why is it added? Because to remove the for air breakdown, SF6 is added to it. This is the whole principle of Van de Graaff generator. One of the easiest phenomena. If you have any problem regarding any topic, kindly consult my topic with me in my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.